Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box for YuGiOh Alliance Insight. The just recently, last week, released set. So let's see what we get. And as you probably know, if you followed my videos, as you certainly do, I still have a Quarter Century Stampede box waiting until we're done with the 4 boxes I got for Alliance Insight. So without further ado, let's see what we get. It's regular boosters again with 9 cards. Hooray! And we start off with a Flash of Heraldry. Not so hooray. But that's fine. On to the next one we go. And we get a Dragolithia Conceit. I always want to pronounce names that look German. Silly me. On to the next one. Here we get our first ultra rare. A Fallen Angel of the Golden Land. Which looks really cool, in my opinion. On to the next one. And as always, of course, I'm focusing down one of the sides first. And this time it's back to the right side. We have a Malice in the Mirror, which also looks cool. Really nailing the art. To the next one. Where we have an Ame no Habakiri no Mitsurugi. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get our first secret rare here of the set. It's a Star Ryseal. I'll take it. Even though there are, of course, way better hits. But that's okay. Next one we have an Argostar's Fierce Path. On to the next one we go. Where we get a Life Twin Lila Sweet. Second ultra of the box. And the next one, we have a Wizard at Ignista. And on to the next one. We have another Argostar's Fierce Path. Only 2 packs left for the right side. Then we are switching. And we get a Filia Regis. Which should translate to Daughter of the King. If my rusted Latin does not deceive me. We have a World of Spirits. And now we're on to the left side. And we're starting off with a Kasma, Dragon Ruler of Auroras, for our second secret rare. On to the next one we go. Another ultra rare, number 69. Heraldry Crest Dark Matter Demolition. And that's it here. And on to the next one with a Mitsurugi Magatama. And I really like the foiling on this one because it's very selective in the image. And on to the next one with another Mitsurugi Magatama. Still a cool foiling. But it doesn't mean we now have to draw 7 more of those. And we get another Argostar's Fierce Sparf. On to the next one. We get a Regenesis code. If you scratch the code, then that would be a hit. On to the next one. We get another Malice in the Mirror. Next pick. We get a Poplar of the White Forest. And that's it, yeah. Next one we get a Sakra Vendirage. And we're down 2 free packs. How sad. But as mentioned, there shall be more of the set to follow. We have a backup at Ignista. Lovely. Second to last pack. And we get another Poplar of the White Forest. That's fine. Now we get a QSR, right? Because it's the last pack. The best card always hides in the last pack. Let's see if it's true. I know it probably isn't. Because we get another, well, not another actually, I think. A Mitsurugi no Mikoto Aramasa. And that's it for the box. So, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.